Grand Rising, happy Monday morning. As you can see, got a lot of rain early this morning as forecasted. That Eureka Pink Lemon's loving it. I gotta prune the branches off the bottom of that, as you can see. Get rid of those bottom branches. This dragon fruit is doing well. My dragon fruit is just exploding with growth because of all this rain we're getting, which is awesome. Just doing a quick video. Cashew trees are doing well under the shade cloth. I have ornamentals in here too, so some ornamental stuff. Desert rose, some plumeria, and pots that I made myself. Well, most of these pots in here I made myself. A lot of them. Like these concrete pots, I made these myself. I didn't buy these, I made them. Plumeria in there. I'm going to be planting a lot more container or sorted container fruit and nut trees in the near future. Lots of dragons doing good. So got more rain coming. This is Virginia to Life Wayne 69. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll be back soon.